Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 10th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. And we're starting on the daily time frame, working down to the 1 hour. So on the daily, first of all, we got the break of structure to the upside over here, and then price did make a higher low right here. And when we had our Fibonacci retracement from here to here, this right here is a 78% Fibonacci bounce. So that means that I would expect this first move up to either be an A, B, and this would potentially go up and make a C and then turn back down, or perhaps maybe the higher time frame trend is going to go, and this is a 1, 2, and maybe we're just going to go up and make higher highs, higher lows for a wave 3. Either scenario, I do think we have some sort of a significant turn to the upside. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would be looking for longs in an uptrend. Now it seems like structure is forming around the 30-minute time frame. So if it continues to make higher highs, higher lows on the 30-minute to 1 hour, definitely doing nothing but looking for longs in an uptrend. If it breaks the series of higher highs, higher lows on the 30-minute to 1 hour time frame, as in you get a break of structure down or you get a very significant lower high, especially if it happens at a Fibonacci retracement level, then at that point I would definitely stop looking for longs and I would definitely start looking for shorts again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.